Hello everyone, John from Proto3000 here. I often hear the comment that parts created using on-demand manufacturing methods such as 3D printing are more expensive than parts made with traditional high-volume methods such as injection molding. Let's do the math and look at the true cost of injection molded parts. Let's use a life cycle production run of 10,000 parts for a simple part. Let's estimate using injection molding methods we could produce those parts for $1 a piece for a total of $10,000 over the life cycle of the part. Sounds pretty good, but there are additional costs to produce these parts. Before anything is produced, a mold is required. Typical mold costs for simple parts can range from $23,000 to $35,000. So, adding a mold cost of $23,000 for a 10,000 part life cycle production run adds $2.30 to the initial $1 part, for a total of $3.30. In addition, there are hidden costs such as real estate to hold inventory, labor to manage inventory, equipment to handle inventory, packaging, etc., etc. Tying up your cash to hold inventory for 1 to 2 years before you can use it can have significant interest charges. And not having this cash can prevent you from growing your business. So if we do the math, maybe on-demand manufacturing with 3D printing makes sense for your manufacturing needs. Contact me today to explore making your 3D printed parts with Proto3000.